just open spaces, chasing the wind. It never freezes.